Hey everyone, and welcome. Rabid here, and hope everyone's having a great day out there today so far. It's here in Alberta, it's warming up, so that's a bonus. So if you're new to the crypto game, mining, anything like that, and you see the price going up, but you're mining away and your profits are kind of going down and you're not sure why, then stick around and this video is for you, and I'll show you a little bit of insight on what's kind of going on. I'm not an expert on this. I just went and did a bunch of research and using what I kind of know and from watching other people and getting an idea of what's going on out there, and hopefully I can help you out figure out what's going on. But before we get into this, if you are on Coinbase, I will have some links in the description. Join up. I'll have a link for joining. You don't have to use that if you don't want, but I also have 4 links for referring a friend. Now if you follow each one, it's like for Stellar, Chainlink and all that. It kind of teaches you all about staking and all that. It'll give you some free crypto. In Canada, you got up to about $60 for free, I believe. And then you also get some more for references. So I'm throwing my reference links out there, and you're allowed to reference up to 4. So if mine fill up, then I will randomly pick one of your guys's. So just leave your reference links in your comments below, and I'll actually switch mine out for your guys's, and we'll just go from there randomly, and hopefully everyone get a whole bunch of references going. So I think that'd be fun to do if you guys are up to that. Anyway, please hit that subscribe button. We'll get into this, figure out what's going on with our Ethereum mining profitabilities. Alright, so here we are. Well, looks like Ethereum fell below 400 again, but we should be getting past the 400 mark again soon. I just want to check here, because sometimes there's discrepancies between Coin 360. So like here it's saying 13,067 on Bitcoin, and here we got 13,081. We got a little arbitrage. If these were actually exchanges, if you know what an arbitrage is, that's a price differential between 2 different exchanges, which you can actually make money if you do it right and fast enough. But this video is not about that. 393, 394. So they're pretty close, but they're a little off. Anyway, let's get in this. What is going on here? Why is our mining down? So as you can see here, for my 2 rigs there and my PC, which I just turned off because I'm recording this video, but 0.2489 estimated earnings per day. And you know, like last month when the DeFi thing hit and everything was going crazy, I was making almost 0.1. So big difference going on here. But if you're wondering why, that's what we're going to show you here today. And we'll get with the network difficulty first. Now this is, as you can see right now, we shot up in difficulty. We're actually almost on par with 2018 days, as you see here, and above the 2017 days. And well, I wasn't mining back here then, but got a gist of it. So as you can see though, we're over that, almost at here. So what difficult? Obviously we have a lot more miners coming into play. There's a lot more people mining, or there's just a lot of miners have upgraded severely and it's just getting higher. So what this does though is every pool, as you know, is full of miners, and all those miners and hash rates are actually, you guys are all fighting each other. Everyone is fighting for the hashes, get the block rewards, all that. So what happens is the network hash rate goes up, making it harder to hit each block at a certain amount of time. Now as the hash rate goes up, it gets harder and harder and harder to actually win over those hashes. So it's like a competition. Everyone's fighting with each other, pools fighting with pools, and so on, just trying to get that block reward and figure it out first before the other guys do. So that's how that kind of works out in a nutshell, is everyone's fighting for hashes. So when this drops down, obviously the difficulty is down and it's just easier to find blocks and whatnot. As it climbs, it makes it harder. So a lot more competition going on. So that's one reason. Competition. Everything's heating up, mining's going crazy again, and everyone's just fighting to get those block rewards. Alright, so next up is our block rewards. So if you're not sure what a block reward is, that is how much Ethereum is given out to the pool that discovers that block. Or if you're a solo miner, you get the whole thing. So the block reward right now is 2 currently. I got this other thing, yeah, 2. It used to be 3, but then they went down to this little 33% adjustment. So it is now at 2 ETH per block, as we can see here. Where are we? Right there. And then we have these other little transactions, which is like a miner fee, gas fee, and I'm not sure what the other fee is. So if you're like a pro on this and you know all about this network, well, all about how the networks function completely, because I am not 100% sure myself. But there's this other fee here, and all right, so that just says it right there. Oh, looks like Uncle Rewards. Okay, it says it, so there we go. We got a tax fee, we got our gas fees, and our miner fees, Uncle Rewards, all that good stuff. So these are those three sitting there. And so you get your 2-block reward plus these little fees. Now, what happened to the boom last month, like one or 2 days a week for like almost a few weeks in a row straight, that was the DeFi boom. And what happened there was Ethereum's gas fees spiked up to 700, which is crazy high, like the highest it's ever been. So that went on top. You add all that to your actual rewards, so that made these numbers here just shoot up, adding on to the 2-block reward, which got paid out to all the miners. Now you look at our gas now, like this is what we got going: 19, 17, 15. Like this is your trader, like this is the gas fees that people would be using for Uniswap and all the DeFi stuff, trading, because it's ASAP fast, but it's dirt cheap. Like the fastest transaction, the highest gas fee right here, which is what costs the most, is under than what the standard used to be by quite a bit back when we were hitting all that super DeFi spikes. So gas fees, they dropped considerably, and that's where most of all the money that miners were making at the time last month. So everything's stabled out. DeFi has been pretty slow. Everyone's got their money locked in and they're just holding it. Now I am predicting that these gas fees will pick up again soon. I'm just going to have a look here. Uniswap will have some action happening here soon. I can't remember how long it will be, but we'll just have a quick peek. So in about 21 more days, that is when this UNI, when it released its deal. Like you look at all these, we got 375,000 invested in this. Now whether they extend this, I don't know yet. They could, and then people will probably just stay locked in earning their UNI. But yeah, here's all the fees here, 635. Like there's a lot of money locked up in these right now. So in 21 days, these rewards end. So that means depending on what Uniswap decides to do, they might put it onto a different staking platform. Well, not a different platform, but different tokens to actually reward their UNI, or they might just carry this one over. But if they change it to something else, or they just cancel it, or whatever they do, people will be pulling their money out, and the DeFi booming will be going crazy again, because a lot of people will be moving their money, and just gas fees will go through the roof. So watch out for that. 21 more days and 15 minutes, and there could be another gas spike in the horizon. Or if any other DeFi protocol decides to go crazy, then that will jump it up as well. So that's mainly what I had to say. Those are the main things that are affecting your profitabilities today. Is gas fees are down drastically than last month, because DeFi has slowed down quite a bit. People are locked in and just holding. And our block rewards, they're just snapping by the looks of things. They're sitting at 2 ETH, which is what we had last month. When did this all happen? It's January, February-ish. They're actually talking about dropping block rewards to 0.5, which is like crazy. Half an ETH for a whole block. That's 75% or something of what it's at now. So that greatly increased it, but I don't know what's going on with that. I didn't really look much into it, but that was a proposal. Right here it says there was a proposal there, the EIP 2878. So if you know what happened with that, I'll look it up sometime here. But right now, let's hope they don't do that. But anyway, right now we're sitting at 2 ETH, gas fees down, and transactions are just stale, slow movements. That's it. DeFi is just hanging out, doing nothing. So our rewards are down. This is the reason why. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. But hope this helped you out to realize kind of how you're getting paid while mining Ethereum. So thanks for watching, and Rabid out.